Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm here with you guys with another tutorial video. So in this video you will see how we can edit this flyer in Canva. So guys, let's start it and let's see how we can do it. Okay, so here's a blank page, and I put some elements here. So let's just don't focus on these elements because I will delete these elements after I'm done with the design. So let's focus on the text part I'm editing right now. So this is the text. I'm doing some alignments and adjust it. I'm also doing some color corrections here. So I'm actually separating these words to give them different fonts and color sizes, so I can do my font pairing as I want. So here you can see I used the script font for the word that, and kind of placing it below it. You can always choose your desired font that looks good with the design elements. So I want to make this font a bit light, like this one, so it makes a good pairing with the other fonts as well. So guys, I'm taking this element which you can find it by searching dot in the elements panel. I already adjusted the transparency and the color with the document color, and here I'm adjusting some other elements as well, but I will delete this one. Here you can see I took a frame, the circle frame here, and placed it on the top right, and used that element behind the frame. Here I have. So I'm trying to align it to the shape. Okay, now it looks minimal. Okay, so I just downloaded this image here and placing it on my design on the top left, and placing it behind as well. Great. So I'm again adjusting the transparency of this element. Okay, and also doing the adjustment of this font as well. So here's our second image here. So I like to place this image somewhere here, bottom part. I just reduced it transparency and placed it on the back side of the design. So I'm taking some shadows here and changing the transparency as well to make a nice depth effect. Okay, so I'm placing some shadows here as well. So I just took a line and place it here to make a nice visual. Here's another line. Took some elements from the elements panel, which is dot, and place it. So here comes our icons. So you can simply find this kind of icons on the elements panel by searching tick mark or tick. Okay, so here comes the text. Also changing the color of the icons. Okay, simply press Ctrl plus D to create a duplicate of the element. So here inserting the original text. Okay, let's try to align it. So here's another text, but I would like to place it on the top part here with a white color and another font as well. So maybe this is kind of good here. So let's check which font is the best one and which size. Once you find the best output, so you can just keep that. So here comes the contact information here. I'm changing the color. And if you want to know how I made it, in our earlier tutorial videos I've shown that how we can make this contact us. Okay, doing some slight adjustments to the design elements. So here comes our logo. So I like to place it on the top left corner like this, and place another dot element. play with the transparency as well. So I'm giving some shadows to the design. So if you use this kind of shadows, your design will look more professional, and you can always create a depth effect which looks good. So I'm placing these shadows here on each and every icons here. Okay, nice. So that's pretty much doing some bit of shadows here from the FX panel. So if you give shadows for every text here, it may not look good. So you can just highlight the highlighted text with the shadow, so that would be better than you doing this for the all text. So here I'm placing some shadows to make my text visible, and placing it on the back part of the layer panel. I'm taking the eyedropper tool and just fix the color of the line. Okay, so I'm doing some final adjustments and revisions here for this design, and also I'm doing some layer adjustments as well. So guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. So here comes our final design. So if you like this video, please stay tuned with our official YouTube and Facebook channels, and please stay tuned until the next video comes up. Till then, stay safe and sound. Thank you very much for your precious time, guys. Have a good day.